Now let's demo the replacement of the SUP22C collimating lens. Loosen the 3 fixing screws of the QBH lock at this place. Slowly pull out the QBH locks. Cover it with masking papers to prevent dust. Remove the locking ring. Pull down the clamp ring. Replace the collimating lens. Pay attention to the convex side of the lens facing upwards. Replace it. Tighten the lock ring. Once the replacement is complete, put the QBH back to the torch. Pay attention when installing. The marked point on the bottom of the QBH lock is in a straight line with this screw above. Lock the screws. Now the collimating lens is replaced.